So I keep learning some of the same darn things. Right around over there, right behind this video, I shorted Exus, EXAS, at the open. It's a company with no earnings. They gapped up at the open. It's on my big list of stocks. I went back and I checked how it looked. And I don't know exactly what comes over me sometimes. But do you know how there's just a few things that are important that you check? And every once in a while you forget to check them. It's like a pre-flight checklist. And one of them is, if I'm going to sell a stock at the open that doesn't have any earnings, I generally wait for it to start filling the gap. I don't know what comes over me at the beginning of the stock market. I don't know what happens, but it's like part of my brain empties out my ear while information is going in my eyeballs. So I'm like taking information in my eyeballs, and then stuff like brain power is like falling out of my ears. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. All right, I'm listening to a podcast and watching this price action right here. Look at this. I'm sitting here with a target just barely lower at $10.11. And I'm sitting here watching this $846 gain kind of slip away. Have you ever done this where you're like, I decided that my profit target was, whatever. And now I'm going to just sit here and wait for it to get to that line. Well, I think that's just ridiculous, right? I've got some money right here, and we're approaching the bottom here, it seems. It's time just to take the money and run, right? Why be so crazy about this? It's ridiculous. I don't know why I do this sometimes, but so here we go. Let's buy this stuff back. Oh, now see, and then you have this problem where you go to buy it back and suddenly the price is different. The price is not as good. And you're like, oh, I just had $100 more than I have right now. And it's like one terrible, terrible decision after the other. And what I have to do is just remember, just do it. Just end it. And that's what I did. I just closed it. It's all done. Let's see, filled at $10.24. So I just closed all that, and that shiz is complete. Now what I got left here is, okay, I'm short Monster Beverage Company. This is a long-term trade. And I'm short NVIDIA, and I'm willing to hold both of those. Those are not positive right now, but those are not that's not a big deal right now. Those will be fine. Of course, I'm just telling myself these things, and it's a lie that I tell myself to feel better. Please don't email me or text me and disagree. We'll be right back. How do you feel about swimming with a large donut?
Awesome. I can literally eat it while I'm swimming.
We got this little dabber. Okay. Kip found those the other day.
So if anyone out there can build a computer that is waterproof, wouldn't that be awesome?
Yeah.
I could just sit in here all day and work on my computer and stay cool. So it's time to do irrigation. All right, let's see what's going on. So this is the canal that runs along. grab this thing. Right, grab that. Pull this thing open. And water's gonna flow through that thing. Come. Hey, Abby. You? How you doing? Go back inside. It's too hot out here. What are you doing? Hi, sweetie pie. So there's a little fire here on the grill. Yeah, it's still going. And if you rub a sausage over a fire, that actually doesn't put the fire out. So, little fire tip. Do not rub a sausage over a fire. Who would have known?
You have your shirt on?